Hello, welcome. This is Sam of Sambookery, and today I wanted to do just an overview video of my new mini collection, Spring Roses. There's only 4 pieces in this collection. We've got, this one is a freebie available on my website. I'll put links to everything in the description for you guys. This one's a freebie. This is a stuffed tag that we make. And this collection, I love roses, and I want to do something in spring colors. So we've got soft pastel colors here and roses everywhere. This next item is a sketchbook. This is a new product I've been designing that looks like maybe a vintage sketchbook with vintage paper edges with like sketched outlines in it that you can color in or watercolor. I've done watercolor on this one. I did colored pencils on this one. And it comes with a lot of blank page options, so you can make it just a little notebook to stick in your bag, or you can use it as a sketchbook to sketch something out, or there's lined papers where you can just make lists. So that's the sketchbook. Then I made a mini journal. I love making these mini journals. They're so quick to put together. So this one, it's just got all this cute little ephemera in here. And then I tipped this one in. This is a pocket that comes with the kit. And usually I'll glue it down to one of the pages, but this time I thought I would just add it in with some washi tape. And then it keeps a tag in here. So we've got alternating pages with like full images and then more neutral background, so you can add the pockets and the ephemera too. Oh, I love this rose. It's so pretty in all these colors. That's the mini journal, and then there is a full-size journal. It's a 1 signature journal kit. You don't have to make it. I do give you the cover and the lining, so if you don't want to make your own covers, everything to make this is in the kit. But it's got a lot of different journal pages in it that you could use in a regular journal as well. Lots of double page spreads as well as backing papers. So I'll have a full tutorial on how to assemble this journal. And there's also a video on the freebie, how to make that. The other 2, I've made these several times, so if you purchase them, there is a link to a video making something similar to this, but not these exact ones. I don't believe. Oh, I love this one with the books and all the roses. So just nice light spring colors, lots of roses everywhere, and super quick, easy projects to make. You don't need a lot of supplies. And I've done minimal decoration just with bits of lace and simple, I think this is yarn, just simple yarn, just for a little bit of decoration, just to show you that you don't need a lot of supplies to do junk journaling, especially if you're starting out in the beginning. So if you're interested in spring roses, I'll put links in the description, and I hope you guys come at least check out and get the freebie, because that's anyone can do this, and there is a full tutorial on that. And I will get back to designing more kits for you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.